Hello everyone. Let's start with our next topic of computer network, that is network topologies. As we all know that computer network is interconnection of computers with different devices. So, the pattern or layout in which all these components are connected to one another for communication purpose is called as network topology. There are different types of network topologies, but the major ones are point-to-point, bus, star, ring or circular, tree, mesh, and fully connected topology. Every topology has its own advantages and disadvantages. It depends on us that for what purpose we want to establish computer network and which topology would be best for us. So let's learn about the most basic type of topology, that is point-to-point topology or point-to-point link. As the name suggests, point-to-point topology is a communication link between two nodes. Whenever we say node, that means it refers to a computer or any other component in a network. It's just a two-way communication as it has only two endpoints which can be connected. So, one computer or any node is connected exactly to the other node or a computer. It works on the principle of transmit and receive. Each system transmits signal, data or information to one receiver at the other end. And you can see in the diagram that the receiver of the other system receives data from only one transmitter. Similarly, the other system will transmit data through one transmitter and the first one will receive it through one receiver. This process of transmit and receive takes place through wires or cables. In this, single cable can be used or two separate cables can be used. Transmission can also be wireless. It can be a satellite link between two earth stations. Thus, in point-to-point topology, the signal, data or information flows from one point to another in a single direction or in both the directions. Now, advantages of point-to-point topology. First, it's very easy to handle and maintain as only two nodes are to be connected. Next, setup is quite simple as the network can be established very easily whenever required and dropped when it is no longer needed. Even the faulty node can be replaced immediately. Next, very fast compared to other networking topologies. Now, disadvantages of point-to-point topology. First, it can be used only for very small network. Next, it can support only two nodes. Next, if any of the nodes stops working, information cannot be sent across the network. Transmission of message, that is communication, may get delayed. Computer connected to a printer or a scanner and television and remote control at our home are some of the common applications of point-to-point topology. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe.